Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sea moss. First, you'll want to thoroughly clean your raw sea moss under cool running water to remove any sand or debris. After cleaning, place the sea moss in a large bowl and cover it with filtered water. Let it soak for at least 4 hours or up to 12 hours until it has significantly expanded and softened. This step is crucial for proper preparation. Once your sea moss is fully rehydrated, drain the soaking water and give it another quick rinse. Transfer the softened sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add fresh, filtered water, starting with about 1 cup for every cup of soaked sea moss. Blend until you achieve a smooth, thick, and consistent gel-like texture. You might need to add a little more water to reach your desired consistency. Now that you have your fresh sea moss gel, it's time for storage. Pour the gel into a clean, airtight glass jar or container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 weeks. To use, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the gel to your daily smoothies, juices, or even oatmeal. It's a versatile addition to many dishes. Beyond smoothies, sea moss gel is an excellent natural thickener for various culinary creations. You can easily incorporate it into soups, stews, sauces, or even homemade desserts like puddings and custards. It helps to emulsify and add body without imparting a strong flavor, making it a fantastic way to boost the nutritional content of your meals. Experiment and enjoy its benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.